Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the biggest drains, radios, and bright displays. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC if you do not need them. These constantly scan and wake the radio. Next, drop screen brightness to about 40% or enable auto brightness so the display uses less power. Close background apps and switch to low power mode. Doing this reduces CPU throttling and background fetches, which cuts steady battery draw while you move to deeper optimizations. Once done, dig into app settings and limit background activity for the biggest offenders. Disable push sync for mail and social apps and set manual fetch intervals. If an app shows high battery use, uninstall it or restrict permissions and background data, because apps wake the device frequently. Make sure you use airplane mode in low signal areas since the radio uses extra power searching for towers when needed. Prefer Wi-Fi calling because it is more efficient than cellular in poor reception. To finish, perform maintenance that keeps battery behavior predictable. Calibrate by charging to 100% and letting it drain fully once every few months so the reporting is accurate. Make sure your OS and firmware are up to date and reboot after updates to clear lingering processes. If you still see rapid drain, boot into safe mode to isolate whether a third-party app is responsible. If the problem stops, uninstall recent apps one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.